Is anybody ever going to learn? I hear BK and the other Bitcoin pimps or what have you touting this, touting that on CNBC. Ladies, gentlemen who trade or invest in Bitcoin, don't listen to the contrarian news bubble channel. We are stock traders and futures traders. In the last 20 years, we've learned that lesson. I'm Bagadon at stockmarketcaddy.com, and I'm going to show you what we listen to and what we trade. And the good news here is somehow, some way, you found us. See, because we turn out all the noise, the news, and if you want to follow us and join our private club, you can trade Bitcoin utilizing our signals, which are proprietary, independent, objective. They're not my opinion. I don't have an opinion about blockchain. I'm not going to tell you it's crap. I'm not going to tell you it's going to 1,000,000. I don't know. No more than I know about the S&P or anything else, and nor does anyone else. The swing machine tracks money flow, primarily momentum, does not use moving averages. So let me show you this particular chart that you're watching right now, and I recommend that you put this, if you're watching on YouTube, put this in high definition and expand it. The videos that we show our private members come from a private hosting company, and they're all in high definition. YouTube is a little on the crappy side. Bitcoin, this is the continuous futures contract. It represents the 5-pack. This was the first one to come out, so this is the one that we track. We can track the single Bitcoin as well. The daily Bitcoin went short 15 days ago. 15 days ago. One futures contract, you'd be up $2,600. So, let me put it another way. If you own 5 Bitcoins, 5, and you didn't do anything, you've lost $2,600 in value since September 5th. If on September 5th you kept your Bitcoin, I don't have to sell them, but you sold short the Bitcoin futures contract on September 5th at 5 p.m. at $6,900, you would be up $2,600. You would also know that the trend is moderating. Near term, there is a little pressure up, but longer term, on a daily basis, as you can see, it's trending down. For the most part, it's all selling. The first level of support is 64.63, right where it is. The very low side is 58.85. This might be a better area to potentially look for a turn, because you see in downtrends, supports get taken out, just as in uptrends, the resistance levels get taken out. So you can see live here, it actually just flashed as we were right here, and it was saying short re-entry. It's resuming her trend down. Bitcoin 5-pack on a weekly has been short for how long? 37 weeks. So if you are a long-term holder of Bitcoin, you could have been following the Bitcoin for the last 37 weeks, and you would have been short back on January 19th. One futures contract would have saved you 24 grand against that position. On a weekly basis, it's still very strong. A little bit of pressure up, but still strongly down, trending down, and it doesn't look like there's much stop for it. On a weekly basis, the support is 57.77. On the real low side, 57.09. Now, we do show the monthly, but the reality of it is it's only been short on a monthly basis on 2 months, and that is because we don't have yet enough data It hasn't been trading long enough to collect enough monthly data. So you can disregard the monthly, but that's our position. No opinion. I don't know about blockchain. I don't know anything about blockchain. you know, I don't need to know. I'm the dumbest guy in the room, but this is how we trade. If you want to follow us and just for Bitcoin, think we can save you a buck or two, it's just 99 bucks a month. We'll make you a video each and every night. You get to see all the markets, including Bitcoin. If you want to follow intraday, it's an additional 400. How much would that have saved you? I'm Bagging On at Stock Market Caddy. You want to chat with us? Feel free to give me a call anytime, because I'm for the most part in front of my computers and trading the markets each and every day, each and every night. So if I'm available, I'm going to answer the phone. 813-758-8263. You're welcome to call anytime. Try me. If I'm asleep or if I'm busy, I'm not going to answer, but I'll get right back to you as soon as I wake up. All right? Trading the markets. There is no crystal ball. There is no Bible code. It's about math. It's about probabilities. I taught surgeons how to do surgery. This is not surgery. It's just that we've written computer programs from years ago with the help of my lovely wife, Susan, who worked at IBM and Lotus Software. And this way we're able to take out all the noise, trade the momentum. Price doesn't matter. Price doesn't matter. Value doesn't matter. These folks don't know how to value anything. You can argue it all day long. Bitcoin's worth this. Bitcoin's worth that. What difference does it make? Something is only worth what it is if someone else is willing to buy it or sell it. And right now, a 5-pack of Bitcoin is worth $6,380 if you can get in or get out. Same thing as wheat, sugar, any other commodity. It's pointless. Don't waste your time. And if that's what you're doing, you're wasting your time, your valuable time. So we may not be able to make you money per se. We can't promise you that because people can mess up, trade with their emotions. But we try to mentor you from not doing that. So we don't make specific recommendations to buy or sell anything. We're a mentoring site. We share the signals that we're watching. So you want to act on them, entirely up to you. As long as hopefully you understand the risk involved in trading anything. We can't, what happened in the past may or may not happen in the future. That's all true. That's why you got to utilize stops and so forth. But your entries do matter, where you come in, and and staying put. If only our signals went short Bitcoin when it was up around 20,000. And can you imagine if you had held your Bitcoins and shorted the futures contract when our signals first went off? You'd actually probably own them free, right? Because you would have been short. So your short account would have gone up, then you would have held them. If you closed them, you'd have a cost basis, next time you would. You would have almost a free position, a free ride. That's what we do. So, in any case, somehow, someway you found us, give us a call. Why not join? 99 bucks. You'll learn a lot. You'll have fun. And you just might make or save some money along the way. I'm Bagging On, stockmarketcaddy.com.